Welcome to Content Marketing 101 Types and Strategies. Hey guys, welcome to Anything Content. My name is Naomi Salami and today's class is going to be really serious. Well, the reason why I'm on the floor is so that I can imagine that this class is so interactive that it's like I'm talking to someone in front of me. Yes, you. So I'm going to break this class into the simplest bits because complicated words kind of fly over our heads. So let's get started. So let's start from the very beginning. What is content marketing? Well, to understand that question, we have to first ask ourselves, what is content? Content refers to any type of material that is created to pass across an information. So it could be in video format, it could be in blog format, written articles, audio format, right? That is content. Now, what is marketing? Marketing refers to the act of promoting a product or service to an intended audience. Now, content plus marketing equals content marketing. Basically just using content, right, to promote a product or a brand or a service. You get me? Now that we've talked about content marketing, what it is, what it entails, we have types and strategies. Now I will be dividing this into three parts. Types, strategies, part 1 and part 2. What are the types under content marketing? We have blogs, which are written articles. We have videos that can either be in an educating format or an engaging format. We have infographics. What are infographics? Those are designs that speak, that tell a story that just by looking at these designs, I understand what this person is trying to say. Then we have email newsletters. Then we have webinars. Webinars are like conferences where you educate your audience. You are seeing your intended audience face to face. It's a chance for you to educate them, right? Engage them. It's an interactive session. So basically you can get feedback from them to be able to help you out in your next business or content creation decision. Then we have social media content. There should be a part of content that you've curated specifically for social media content. Social media contents are basically for interactive, engaging, and educative purposes. Yeah, a little bit of fun if you know what I mean. Now, those are types under content marketing. Let's move on to strategies. Remember, I said I am going to divide strategies into two parts. Strategy 1, what are the purposes of this content that you'll be creating? Now we have the awareness stage, meaning that any content that you'll be creating under this stage is for people to know about you. Then we have the educational content. This is the how-to content. You have a makeup brand and the foundation is the kicker. But you have some people that don't know much about different types of foundation or the one that's supposed to be for their skin tone. Now you will curate content under how-tos, how to spot the right foundation, the right tone for your skin, the kind of makeup you should be doing to incorporate events. I'm basically giving you content ideas now. If you run a makeup brand, I'm giving you content ideas now. So those are educational content. Then we have the engaging or entertaining content. This is where you want to get feedback from your audience. So you can put out polls on social media, quizzes, ask them what kind of content do you want to see on our social media next time? How can we make it better? Another example of engaging content is behind the scene content. Let your audience know you on a personal base. Let them know that it's human beings that run this brand and not AI. Those are the kind of content you should be coming up with that are in your content strategies when coming up with content for your brand. So the next purpose, conversion content. The kind of content you are going to do under this stage is content that are straight on ads. You want to run sponsored ads to push people directly to get your products or services. This is where all your ads contents come in. So these are conversion content. Then we have retention content. You've gotten the people to buy from you. You don't just stop there. You keep doing educational content for them. You keep trying to get to know them better. You can be sending emails, telling them that, oh, if you bought from us last year, we have a deal for you. Or if you bought above so and so amounts last year, we've got a better deal for you. Try to keep them entertained. Loyalty programs and stuff like that. These are retention content. Now that we've talked about strategies number 1, let's talk about strategies number 2. Now, as a content marketer, you've been able to come up with content ideas under this whole funnel, these purposes that I've mentioned. Then you have to think about your distribution channel. Now, I'm not talking about social mediums or something like that. I'm talking about where all these contents are going to fall under when you've created them and when you want to keep going with them. We have 3 types. We have owned media, we have earned media, then we have paid media. Now, owned media is the type of content you've come up with. the ones that you sweated, you've thought through the night, you brainstormed, you and your team, you created that content. It is owned by you. Then we have earned media. Now, apart from your content that you've created, content that is created from your customers, from anybody outside your company, is earned media. This is where you have reviews, right? This is where you have user-generated content, people talking about your products. Oh, I use this product and this is what it's doing to me. Then we have press releases. When newspapers or other platforms are talking about you, that is earned media. It is still content. You can still use those contents for you. You can post it on your social media pages. You can add it to your email newsletters. Then we have paid media. These are promoted content. These are sponsored posts. These contents are basically just for ads. You created this content specifically to run ads on them. All of these that I've mentioned, the types of content, the purpose of the content, then the distribution channel, everything like this encompasses content marketing. You can see the reason why I say it is not a one-person job, except you have no choice than to do this on your own. And if you want to do this on your own, you start small. If you feel like you can only handle writing, right? If you feel like you can only handle video creation, my advice, if you're a one-man band, just focus on video creation because it has more reach. Now, if you feel like you can only do one thing at a time, that's fine. But if you have an entire team, this is what it means to have a content marketing team. So I hope that I've been able to explain thoroughly what content marketing is, the types, the distribution channel, and the purposes. In my next video, I am going to give you the different platforms where you can get remote jobs and freelancing gigs as a content marketer. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.